Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So, this time, we're gonna make another episode of product review. I want to find it out and help you girls. Which one is more useful or if this device is really useful or not. So, yeah. Let's see if you will also want to get this product or forget it.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Electric brush cleaner, rubber brush cleaner. So this is the rubber brush cleaner. It has some rough areas and some bumpy things here and like a little brush here. And this is the electric brush cleaner. So this is rotating and this is battery operated, which is with 2 AA's battery. So I'm gonna put the brush cleaning liquid to the bowls that is together with this electric brush cleaner. This device has a rubber nozzle, which is the holder or where you will put your brushes, and this has different sizes for your different brushes. You know, brushes has a different sizes. So this is, the other one is the large one and this is for the small one. And there's another more smaller than this. So this has 3 things, yeah. So after you figure it out, which holder we're gonna be fit on your brush, then you put it in there and then put it on the device and then put it inside the bowl where your cleaning liquid is also there, sure, with the water. Then that's it, you press the button and that will just spin by itself, and it's really fast. Look at that. The worst case with this, you cannot really press it really deep under the bowl because it will gonna get crazy and bump all over the sides, and yeah, the water might fall, drip out. So since this is the first time I'm using this device, I tried a different position where I can absolutely clean my brush, or where I think I can clean my brush well. And I tried really to press it, and that really bumps all over the sides of this bowl. And when you think it's ready, you just lift it a little bit out from the water and spin it again to make it dry. So let's see. Let's see if this really does the job and clean my brush. It seems like it does the job and it seems like really clean, but this is a white brush, so it's still and really not that white that as I am expecting to happen. So this time let me try the other brush using the rubber brush cleaner. And it seems like the same. The makeup is really going out by scrubbing with this rubber brush cleaner. So the moment of truth. This is the brush from the electric brush cleaner, and the other one is the one that I scrub it really through the rubber brush cleaner. And I don't know, it looks almost the same. But take a closer look. This one still have the foundation or the makeup in the bottom of the brush. So, meaning to say, the electric brush cleaner didn't work well to the bottom. So, to see a visible result, or to really notice it and find it out if this really works, I planned and decided to clean a brush that I use in a really colorful makeup, which is in color blue. So we will see it if this really works, and take out these blue things, blue makeup in the brush.
1, 2, 3, come on!
So, moment of truth. The makeup is still there. It didn't take out and it didn't work from this electric brush. So this time we're gonna do it on the rubber brush cleaner. That's still there, my god. So this time we're gonna do it in a rubber brush cleaner. We will see. And you see, there's really still a lot of the makeup into the brush. And take a look at this. See? The makeup is gone. Look at that. That was blue and the rubber brush cleaner did the job. Look at this. It's white again. So this time I'm gonna try the combination of this, the electric brush cleaner pushing through to the rubber brush cleaner. And yeah, the same thing, I'm using the brush which I use in a colored makeup. So first I do it here in the bowl with these tools, and look at that, it's still green. And then with these tools I tried to push it through to the rubber brush cleaner, which is really spinning. We will see if this works like this or do it manually, because I really want this electric brush cleaner. This seems really cool. And then I dried it out and we will find it out if this combination works well. And it's not. It's still green and still there. So I'm gonna try the other brush, which is also green, to brush it manually by my hands without the tools pushing through to this rubber brush cleaner. So, moment of truth. Look at that. Doing by hands, it's really better and the green is really away and it comes back to white. So this machine is really cool, but you see inside the bowl, it really has a bumpy things there, but I don't know how would that clean my brush, because that's really not so bumpy like this other one. Look at that. Look at the difference of these two. So in the end, I just choose to use this electric brush cleaner as a dryer, which is, this really helps my brush to be dried faster. Because as you all know, when your brush is really wet and takes a lot of time to dry indoors, that really gets smelly and it really stinks. So I guess by this way, my brush stays fresh, clean, and smell good, because it's absolutely dried. Not absolutely dried, but it's like almost dried. So it just takes an hour to make it fully dry after using the device to make it as drier. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye!